Move from one level of your home to another with an ultra-quiet Bruno Connect home elevator. Bruno Connect home elevators are freestanding and can be installed nearly anywhere in your home. With 3 available sizes and a 500-pound lift capacity, there's a Bruno Connect home elevator to fit your home and transport needs. The popular Connect Classic can transport 2 users and has available options such as a fold-down seat, power door, or extra handrails. The spacious Connect XL delivers even more room for riders and comes standard with an integrated handrail control upgrade. The space-saving Connect Compact offers convenient floor-to-floor accessibility even if installation space is limited. Connect home elevators are engineered for superior performance, using high-quality materials to deliver a sturdy, smooth ride, and clear acrylic panels provide an open, modern appearance. Connect home elevators are powered by a regular household outlet, but also feature a backup battery that can lower the lift in the event of a power outage. Access all levels of your home with ease now and in the future with a Bruno Connect home elevator.